Before us here today, we have 4 special Gentex smoke alarms. As you can see, they each have a strobe on them, as they're meant to be used in applications where there may be hearing impaired occupants, whether it's in a house or a building. And as you can hear, they're all right now chirping because I don't have batteries in any of them, but they're being powered with an AC power source. The one on the far left here is a Gentex 7139 CSW. And this one's special because it has a built-in relay, so it could be used on a fire alarm system if needed, or it could just be used as a regular smoke alarm. These two in the middle are Gentex 7139 LS's, and they just have a power cord where you literally just plug the smoke alarm into the wall, as you can see right there, and they could just be then used as regular smoke alarms. And then this one right here is a Gentex 7109 LS. This one is older than the other 3, and you'll be able to hear when we test it that it has a fast pulse tone, whereas the other 3 have a temporal 3-tone. So today I'm thinking we're just going to set all these off at the same time and see the absolute chaos that comes from these alarms. Each of these strobes is 177 candela, which is extremely bright. So just as a heads up, there will be some bright flashing lights coming up. So if you have any medical conditions where you know you shouldn't be watching bright flashing lights, you probably shouldn't watch past this point in the video. As you can see, they each have a black knob, and in order to do a regular alarm and strobe test, you just flip it to test 1. And once you do that, it takes a couple seconds for the alarm to actually go off. So we'll go ahead and turn each of these to the test, which will set off all the alarms. Here we go. It's about to get loud. I'm going to turn off the light here. That was very loud and very bright. All those strobes kind of made it like a disco in here. So that's my little video today on these 4 special Gentex alarms. Thank you all for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.